Welcome to another episode here on A New Life in France, and today we've got a property focus for you. We're going to focus on one particular property because we think you're going to really like to have a look around this property and enjoy it a little bit more. We're heading back down to the lot. Now the reason we go to the lot is because I've said before it's a bit of a secret area, it's a bit of a secret department. It is bordered to the Dordogne to one side, and just take that step into the lot, you just get a little bit more value for your money. And also for me, I think you get some really traditional but also some quite quirky properties every so often, but also something with a little bit of history. And do remember the lot, in terms of where it is only about an hour and a half from Toulouse, so you're probably 2.5 hours down to the south of France and beyond. But also you can go across to the Atlantic coast as well. But it does border the more favourable Dordogne. But is it more favourable, and why? And for me, that's why I think the lot is just more value for money. And a lot of the time, the properties we bring you, we might bring you properties from the very north of France. We might sometimes bring you in that central area, and in that sort of central west area, you do get more value for your money. The more south you come, the warmer it gets in the summer. Now, of course, other sides of France are nice and warm as well, but it does get much hotter. And that's why I think the lot just offers a little bit more. And when I give you this property today, you'll see why I went, wow, what a property. So the property we're going to show you is just off the A20. And when I say it's just, you can't hear the A20, it's not far from the A20. So the A20 being one of those main motorway links in France, so taking you from Paris all the way down to Toulouse and then further on. So from a communication route, really great. You've also then got, from an airport perspective, you can get down to Toulouse, you can get across to Bordeaux as well, but it is further away. You've also then got some of the more regional airports, such as Bergerac, serving you as well. Probably go, if you had to go up to Limoges, it is that much further on, but Toulouse is going to be your main airport. And of course, you've got all the communication routes in terms of trains as well. To the north of the property we're going to be showing you, you can get up to Cahors as well, which is in the lot, and then you can go very much west into the lot as well, with so much history, the river flowing through, and you've got just such undulations, and it's just a beautiful department to be in. And the reason I love taking people back there is because the lot for me just offers you that value for money, which I've said time and time again. So the property we're going to show you is a country house. So it's not a chateau, but when you look at it, it's just got some beautiful charm to it. It's got a turret to it and views to it, and you just go, wow, what a great property. 7 bedrooms with this property and 4 bathrooms as well, and we're going to take you around those in a moment. So just giving you that sort of summary, really whet the appetite. When you look at this outside now, look at the outside of that property now. Let's just give you that aerial shot and looking down. It really does offer something. You know, for me, it's just a great property, the kind of property I probably would buy. It's got some land with it as well, so it's got 3,000 square meters of land. So it's got a nice bit of land, good bit of land, not overlooked. You've got views, you've got fields, you've got a pool. The pool here, proper underground pool, sunken in, terrace around it. There's so much I just want to give you, but I'm just giving you those little teasers as well. So let's have a proper look now at this property. Let's have a look downstairs. And for me, one of the things that really stood out for me was the kitchen. The kitchen's been finished really well, but it's also making use of the features. If you look at that archway going into the kitchen and then feeding off the kitchen, we then come to that dining room, and then to the sitting room. So again, in that kitchen, it's just a beautiful kitchen, coming out to really light and airy dining room. And then you can just feel that sitting room. That sitting room for me, when I show you the outside, you probably won't be spending that much time in this sitting room in the summer, let me tell you. But what you will be able to enjoy, it's light in its area in the winter months. You'll be able to enjoy it as well, with the light coming in, have the wood burner going. I think downstairs has got a lot there as well, and it's also got that study. It, for me, just feels probably bigger than it is. It feels like a huge country mansion. It feels massive, and it's just got a real feel of class about it because it has been finished to a very high standard. And when we go upstairs, again, you can see that finish once more. If you look at every bedroom that we have here, let's have a look at them now. Look at each of those different bedrooms. They've got the high ceilings, but there's still a nod to the traditional character. You can see the beams that are there as well. And for me, again, it's light and it's airy, and you've got the views from there as well. And a couple of the bedrooms, you can look down to the pool area as well, which leads you then into the gardens outside. Within that pool area, you've got that stunning pool. You've also then got an outside eating area. You've got within that the outside eating area, which is covered. You've also got a wood-fired oven out there. You can cook outside with that outside kitchen and the outside oven, and you will really be enjoying that outside area. So when you look a little bit more here, what else does it offer outside? You've got a large barn. You've also got stabling for 10 horses. Now, for me, this property would have had a lot more land with it in the past. It is most likely that you will then convert, subject to planning, permissions, etc., etc., but you could convert that stable area and the large barn. You might want to actually be able to put a gîte or some self-catering in there as well. So it has that potential to it. What else you can do with the outside is really up to you, but I would think it's got a lot of different uses that you could do. You've got lots of outbuildings to do things with. I think they've done an amazing thing making that great eating area and the pool. You can tell how that's going to be used in the summer. So just looking at the property sort of briefly there, and we're going to allow you to really enjoy it near the end of this, where we let you just enjoy all the different images we've got from the video, from the photos we've taken, for you to be able to enjoy that. But what I love about this property is you could do something to it, but equally it is ready to go. Now, if you wanted this as a permanent home, it is beautiful. It had been really finished really well. You've got the bedrooms, you've got the downstairs, you've got the outside. It would make a great home. It would great family home. It would be a great home where you have family to come and stay as well, because you've got the proximity to the airports. Now, you could, as a bigger project, do so much more. Now, you could buy this as a lock up and leave property. You would then be able to really rent it out. And for me, you could rent that out for really good money in the summer months in particular. You're talking thousands of euros per week because of what it has to offer. The pool, the terrace, the outside space, the rooms, 7 bedrooms, remember, and 4 bathrooms. So it has that real great rentable possibilities for a gîte. Also, though, you could convert those outbuildings. Think of those bigger outbuildings, you convert those, and again, then you could have a self-contained one as well. Now, either you could have 2 big rentals, you could do it with smaller rentals with those kind of area outside as well. So it has a lot of possibilities. Now, you'd have to spend some money to be able to do that. But for me, I think 2 of the most likely options, or maybe 3 actually, of the likely options are great permanent home, fantastic family home, and again, people could come and visit. Secondly, you potentially could turn it into a chambre d'hôte, so people could come and stay and they would pay you as a guest house kind of way as well, in terms of, which is quite common in France because it has that. Thirdly, second home, or it is an investment property that you then would be renting out in those summer months. You'd probably get some rental in the winter as well. Christmas, New Year, lovely place to come down to, and again, you can explore those areas. So for me, it has that potential as well. So 3 clear potentials. But also, let's just talk a little bit more about that local area as well. So the local area, you're 5 minutes from the local town, and the local town has got a supermarket, it's got all the local shops, the boulangeries, it's got bars, it's got restaurants, it's got everything that you would need. And for me, it also has a lot of stuff going on, not just in the summer months. It has a lot of things going on through the year. Very much the centre for the black truffles. Again, that area is really well known for that, and they have a truffle festival as well. So not only do they have that, but they have lots of other things going on as well. So an area going into, it's not just about tourism and touristy things that are going on, but it's also the locality of what's going on. And I think that's what I also like about it as well. You're not moving into an area where sometimes further south it can just go that much quieter in winter. Here there does seem to be a lot going on as well. So you could really get involved in the local community, you could really involve yourself there as well. But equally, if it was being rented out, as Ajita thinks, there's lots of things going on, not just in the local town, but also if you go up through the Lot Valley, there's so much more there. There's cycling, walking and everything that goes with that. That's why I love this property, because of what it has going for it. But also now when you just take a look now, and I'm going to let you now to look and enjoy this property, just really look at it from a practical point of view. You can see the leaves are off the trees and it looks a beautiful property even at this time of year. And remember, a lot of the time, properties can look amazing in the sunshine in the summer, but think about in the winter months, if they look great, then what do they look like in spring and summer and autumn as well? So have a look at this property, enjoy the bedrooms, enjoy the downstairs, look at all of that that's going there, the outside pool area and everything that's going on with it. I think this is a great property for a person really seriously looking, coming to go, I want something that's really great in France. Probably not just on the levels of being grand, because it is, but it's also a little bit quirky as well. I think for the right person, this is amazing value for money. 799,000 euros, but it doesn't need anything doing to it. It has been finished to a high standard. It has got potential if you want it, but it has that real lovely feel. Enjoy the pool, enjoy the insides, enjoy the outsides. It's got everything going for it. And I do think it is worth the value for where it is and what it has. You go 50 kilometres, 100 kilometres sort of southwest of there, you're probably going to be heading up well into the 900s, maybe into the millions for this type of property. So again, the lot always gives you that little bit more. There's always wriggle room as well with properties. If you're a serious buyer for that type of property and you're coming from either the UK, maybe somewhere else in Europe, but even from America now, there's a lot of people now moving from America and really considering France, maybe as a second home, but also a lot of people from America now looking for it from a permanent home where they can take advantage of various things that are in place. Look at the property, now enjoy it, and if you really enjoyed it, remember to join us next time.